Hi viewers, welcome to Dream TNPC channel. Today we are going to see 10th standard science subject. Before class also we saw this same 1 to 5th lesson. Today we are going to continue this 6th to 10th. So we are going to start 6th lesson. 6th lesson name is nuclear physics. The first question is man-made radioactivity is also known as. Options are induced radioactivity, spontaneous radioactivity, artificial radioactivity, and A and C. The correct answer is A and C. Induced radioactivity, artificial radioactivity. The second question is unit of radioactivity is dash. Options are Roentgen, Curie, becquerel, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Artificial radioactivity was discovered by options becquerel, Irene Curie, Roentgen, Niels Bohr. The correct answer is Irene Curie. The fourth question is in which of the following no change in mass number of the daughter nuclei take place? Options first one A decay, alpha decay, beta decay, gamma decay, neutron decay. Option A first is correct. Option B second and third are correct. Option C first and fourth are correct. Option D second and fourth are correct. The correct answer is option B second and third are correct. Gamma and beta decay. Next fifth question. The dash isotope is used for the treatment of cancer. The options are radioiodine, radiocobalt, radiocarbon, radionickel. The correct answer is B, radiocobalt. Sixth question. Gamma radiations are dangerous because it affects eyes and bones, it affects tissues, it produces genetic disorder. It produces genetic disorder. The answer is C. It produces genetic disorder. Seventh question. Aprons are used to protect us from gamma radiation. Options are oxide, iron, lead, aluminium. The answer is lead. Eighth question. Which of the following statement is or correct? Alpha particles are photons. Penetration power of gamma radiation is very low. Ionization power is maximum for alpha rays. Penetrating power of gamma radiation is very high. Option A 1 and 2 are correct. 2 and 3 are correct. Fourth only correct. Third and fourth are correct. The answer is D. Third and fourth are correct. Question. Proton-proton chain reaction is an example of nuclear fission, alpha decay, nuclear fusion, beta decay. The answer is nuclear fusion. 10th question. In the nuclear reaction, 6x power 12 alpha decay directs to zy power a. The value of a and z. Options 8,6, 8,4, 4,8 cannot be determined with the given data. The answer is B 8,4. 11th question. Kamini reactor is located at dash. Options Kalpakam, Kudangulam, Mumbai, Rajasthan. Answer is Kalpakam. 12th question. Which of the following is or correct? 12th question options are chain reaction take place in a nuclear reactor and an atomic bomb. The chain reaction in a nuclear reactor is controlled. the chain reaction in a nuclear reactor is not controlled? The answer is fourth option. No chain reaction take place in an atom bomb. A. First only correct. First and second are correct. Fourth only correct. Third and fourth are correct. The answer is first and second are correct. So next we are going to see seventh lesson. Lesson atoms and molecules. First question is, which of the following has the smallest mass? Option A, 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms of helium. 1 atom of helium, 2 gram of helium, 1 mole atoms of helium. The answer is 1 atom of helium. Which of the following is a triatomic molecule? Glucose, helium, carbon dioxide, hydrogen. The answer is carbon dioxide. Question is, the volume occupied by 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide at STP. Options are 22.4 liter, 2.24 liter, 0.24 liter, 0.1 liter. The answer is 2.24 liter. The fourth question. Mass of one molecule of nitrogen atom is options 28 AMU and 14 AMU, 28 gram, 14 gram. The answer is 14 gram. Fifth question. Which of the following represent 1 AMU? Mass of a carbon 12 atom, mass of a hydrogen atom, 1 by 12th of the mass of a carbon 12 atom, mass of oxygen 16 atom. The answer is option C. 1 of 12th of the mass of a carbon 12th atom. Next is sixth question. Which of the following statement is incorrect? 1 gram of carbon 12 contains Avogadro's number of atoms. 1 mole of oxygen gas contains Avogadro's number of molecules. 1 mole of hydrogen gas contains Avogadro's number of atoms. 1 mole of electron stands for 6.023 into 10 power 23 electrons. The correct answer is option A. 1 gram of carbon 12 contains Avogadro's number of atoms. 7th question. The volume occupied by 1 mole of a diametric gas at STP is options 11.2 liter, 5.6 liter, 22.4 liter, 44.8 liter. The correct answer is 22.4 liter. Next, 8th question. In the nucleus of 20 calcium power 40, there are options 20 protons and 40 neutrons, 20 protons and 20 neutrons, 20 protons and 40 electrons. The answer is option B, 20 protons and 20 neutrons. Next, 9th question. The gram molecular mass of oxygen molecules is option 16 gram, 18 gram, 32 gram, 17 gram. The answer is C, 32 gram. 10th question. 1 mole of any substance contains dash molecules. Option A, 6.023 into 10 power 23, 6.023 into 10 power minus 23, 3.0115 into 10 power 23, 12.046 into 10 power 23. The answer is A, 6.023 into 10 power 23. 8th lesson, periodic classification of elements. The lesson name is periodic classification of elements. First lesson, first question. The number of periods and groups in the periodic table are options are 6, 16, 7, 17, 8, 18, 7, 18. Answer is D, 7, 18. Second question. Basic of modern periodic law is dash. Atomic number, atomic mass, isotopic mass, number of neutrons. The answer is atomic number. Third question. Dash group of contains the member of halogen family. Answer 17th, 15th, 18th, 16th. The answer is 17th. Option 4. Dash is a relative periodic property. Options atomic ready, ionic ready, electron affinity, electron negativity. The answer is option D, electronegativity. Fifth question, chemical formula of rust is dash. Answer is Fe2O3X H2O. Question, in the aluminothermic process, the role of aluminium is dash. Oxidizing agent, reducing agent, hydrogenatic agent, sulfurizing agent. The answer is B, reducing agent. Seventh question. The process of coating the surface of metal with a thin layer of zinc is called painting, thinning, galvanization, electroplating. The answer is galvanization. Which of the following have inert gases 2 electrons in the outermost shell? Options helium, neon, argon, krypton. The answer is helium. Helium. Ninth question. Neon shows 0 electrons affinity due to options stable arrangement of neutrons, stable configuration of electrons, reduced size, increased density. The answer is stable configuration of electrons. Ninth lesson. Lesson name solutions. First question is a solution is a dash mixture. Options homogeneous, heterogeneous, homogeneous and heterogeneous, non-homogeneous. The answer is homogeneous. Option A. Second question. The number of components in a binary solution is option 2, 3, 4, 5. Option A 2. Third question. Which of the following is a universal solvent? Acetone, benzene, water, alcohol. Option is correct answer is option C, water. Fourth question is solution in which no more solute can be dissolved in a definite amount of solvent at a given temperature is called. Options are a saturated solution, unsaturated solution, supersaturated solution, dilute solution. The answer is saturated solution. Fifth question. Identify the non-aqueous solution. Sodium chloride in water, glucose in water, copper sulfate in water, sulfur in carbon disulfide. Fifth question answer is option D, sulfur in carbon disulfide. Sixth question, when pressure is increased at constant temperature, the solubility of gases in liquid dash. No change, increases, decreases, no reaction. The answer is increases. Seventh question, solubility of NaCl in 100 ml water in 36 gram. If 25 gram of salt is dissolved in 100 ml of water, how much more salt is required for saturation? Options are 12 gram, 11 gram, 16 gram, 20 gram? The answer is B, 11 gram. Percent alcohol solution means 25 ml alcohol in 100 ml of water, 25 ml alcohol in 25 ml of water, 25 ml alcohol in 75 ml of water, 75 ml alcohol in 25 ml of water. The correct answer is option A, 25 ml alcohol in 100 ml of water. The question, deliquescence is due to dash: strong affinity to water, less affinity to water, strong hotter to water, inertness to water. The answer is strong affinity to water. 10th question, which of the following is hygroscopic nature? Ferric chloride, copper sulfate pentahydrate, silica gel, none of the above. The answer is silica gel. Class last lesson, types of chemical reaction. First question is H2 gram plus Cl29 gram gives 2 HCl gram is a decomposition reaction, combination reaction, single displacement reaction, double displacement reaction. The answer is combination reaction. Second question, proteolysis is a decomposition reaction caused by dash: heat, electricity, light, mechanical energy. The correct answer is option C, light. Next, third question. A reaction between carbon and oxygen is represented by carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide plus heat. In which of the type, yes, the above reaction can be classified? 1. Combination reaction.